My name is Alicia and I run a blog called Budgeting Backwards, a personal finance platform for beginners. This is day 2 of Vlogmas, where I share a little bit more about my personal life outside of talking about money. If you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. Let's get started with today's video. Today we're making these cute hot chocolate cocoa bombs. I'm personally still on the hunt for something that I can make every year that I can give to the people that I love and appreciate in my life. I'm not sure if these are going to be the ones, but let me show you exactly how I did it. This is everything that I bought that we needed. Everything came from the 99-cent store or the grocery store. The cups, the hot chocolate, and the marshmallows came from Dollar Tree. Those cute little candy cane spoons came from Family Dollar. And then the chocolate morsels came from my local grocery store. To start, you want to take that plastic cup out the packaging and make sure you wash your cup. Then you're going to want to cut a slit down one side of the cup. That is going to make it easier for you to get the hot chocolate bomb out of the mold. Take some Scotch tape and close that slit back up. And now it's time to melt the chocolate. This was my first attempt. I was deciding to use the microwave. So I pour these morsels inside the cup. I really don't like the way they look. I'm not sure if this means that they're bad or not, but I just don't like the way these look right now. So I decided to go in my son's Halloween candy and borrow some chocolate bars, and I'm going to melt those. And this is how it came out. It came out burnt in the microwave. Don't do this. It did not work. And then when I try to mix it up, this is how it looked. It smelled like burnt hair. So then I did my second attempt, which is to melt the chocolate in a double boiler over the stove. So that's where you boil hot water and then you have your chocolate in another area. I forgot to show how it looked as I was mixing it up. I don't know how I didn't record that, but it came out good. This is the consistency of the chocolate. You have to mix it up like every 30 seconds after the water boils. So now down to the process of actually making the hot chocolate bombs. This is a labor of love. You have to layer chocolate, leave it to get hard in the refrigerator or freezer, and then you have to put more layers. So you need like 3 layers to make sure that the cup is a form of a cup. So I did this 2 times for 2 different bombs. I did 3 layers for each one. I stopped using a spoon and started using a knife. That made it go way easier. After I did this for the 3rd time, I started to prepare the other ingredients. I started with these spoon-shaped candy canes that I got from Family Dollar. These were 6 for $1. Aren't they so cute? I actually wish I would have bought so many more of these. After doing a 3rd layer of chocolate, I was like, okay, it's enough. I think it's done. So now it's time to assemble the chocolate spoon-shaped candy cane, and then I went in with 1 packet of Swiss Miss hot chocolate. I got the hot chocolate from Dollar Tree. Just keep on patting the cup on the table so everything can fit. Then I put some more chocolate on the top to cover the bomb. And on top of that, I am going to put about a few marshmallows. Just press it down so everything is nice and flat before you put the marshmallows on. Then I did another hot chocolate bomb. This time I used a wooden skewer instead of the candy cane. I put the packet of Swiss Miss in there, and I really just kept patting the cup down on the table to make sure everything was packed in tight. I put a layer of chocolate on top of that, and then I continued to pat down on the table, and everything just settled in and got flat on the top. I took my knife and made sure everything was all cleaned up, and then I put some marshmallows down just like the last one. Now this is where it becomes a labor of love again. You have to let this set. This is where I think I went wrong. If you look at it, when I removed it from the freezer, I think it didn't set properly and the whole top came off. So this was my first attempt and it was an absolute fail. Now this is me taking the molds off of the candy cane hot chocolate bomb. Again, take your time. I think I didn't leave this in the freezer long enough and a piece chipped off. I'll definitely be making an updated video to this during Vlogmas because I'm going to go to Michael's and get some colored chocolate to make some more of these. So stay tuned for that. This is the result of the hot chocolate cocoa bombs. I think they came out so super cute, especially this one with the candy cane spoon in it. The process of making these, I would give about a 7 out of 10. I tried to wrap them up and unfortunately the candy cane spoon broke on me. Now let's make the hot chocolate.
Am I gonna drop it in?
I think you gotta put it in and then you pour the water on top. This first time around, we decided to pour water on top of the hot cocoa bomb.
Go ahead. No, just put it in there.
At first, it's not really all that appealing. We were like, huh, what is this? I mean, I guess. It was cool for my son. He liked to keep on stirring until it finally made the hot chocolate. So he was very satisfied. Thank you all so much for watching our video. We'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of Vlogmas. We hope that you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. Bye!